Welcome back. Today, we're going to be learning all kinds of different fruit signs that you can use with your baby to decrease stress and increase learning. Hi, my name is Ashley, and I have taught hundreds of families how to use baby sign language. So today we're going to learn different fruit signs. So let's start with an apple. An apple. What about an orange? So you squeeze a juicy orange at your mouth. Orange. We also have a lemon. So you make the L and you have to make a sour face, like you've just put something sour in your mouth. Ooh, lemon. Then we also have some bananas. And what else do we have that's yellow here? We have a pineapple. So you make the letter P, and then the middle finger comes in and twists in your cheek here. That's a pineapple. Then we also have grapes. So you show the grapes growing up the vine. And lastly is our great big cantaloupe here. So a melon is, you have a little fist here, and then your middle finger is going to come along and just kind of flick off the different seeds. So if it's a watermelon, you can be a little bit more specific and sign water. There's your W, watermelon. But for a cantaloupe or a honeydew, you can just sign melon. So if you liked this video, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified of all our other great, amazing videos where I teach you guys how to sign with your baby. And if there's anything that you would like to see, please include it in the comments below, because that's how I get new ideas for our new videos. So again, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see you guys later. Bye.